Is your child shy? Does your child need you to accompany them to do even the slightest thing outside, or to say something to others instead of them saying it themselves? If yes, then you must build your child's confidence, especially the confidence to speak up. Why so? Because a lot of the times, if they don't speak up, they may be misunderstood or misjudged. And at the same time, they don't get what they want because they don't speak up. And at the same time, if they build the confidence to speak up, they will maximize their full potential. The common perception of a lot of people is that it is a phase. They can outgrow this when they grow up. But really, how many people outgrow their shyness? If it is not for a specific event that happens in their life, and they could go both ways. They climb up even more, or they break through and they speak up. Rather than leaving it to chance, it is really, really important from a young age that we build them their confidence, especially the confidence to speak up. How do you do that? Comment below to find out more about how you can help your child to build their confidence. Happy coaching, parents!